Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for books and literature, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or website type. So books and literature. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna choose this. Now let's continue. You can skip if you want from here. And now let's now enter your business name or your website name. Type any name you want. Uh, what do you want to add to your website? Choose whatever you want here. Now go to dashboard. Preparing the dashboard, wait a few seconds. Now design your site. How would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Here, enter your information. If you wanna change your business name, or if you wanna change your logo, if you wanna add your logo, here you can add your email, you can add your address, you can add your phone, and also here you can add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design, for example this. And here you can add page to your site. I'll wait a few seconds preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website. So this is the settings of your homepage. You can add elements here. So the first element on your list of the elements, you have here the text, the theme text. So if you wanna, here you can edit the form or the size of the text. Also the titles, you can edit the form or the shape of the titles, and also the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image section. If you wanna upload images or if you wanna import images, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustration, you can find them here. So let's move on now to the next elements. Here you find this, the buttons. Now here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the the icon buttons and the image buttons and the documents buttons, the iTunes button, the Wix chat button, and here we find the payments buttons. You have to add some payment buttons on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. You find classic, featured, about, services and contact, and welcome and testimonials and theme. So you have to add any one of these on your home page as you like. Now let's move to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines and the basic shapes, and here rows or horizontal lines or vertical lines. Now let's move to the picture art. If you want to add something like featured icons, like any animals in nature, or like logos and images or characters. And here you find the video elements. If you want to add something like video box or video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. And now let's move on to the galleries. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation if you want to add something like anchor or in-page menu, or if you want to add something this like the site search, so like this. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page. You find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps, and that's it. Now let's move on to the shots. Here you find the Wix chat button or the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and music. If you wanna add something like single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, or if you wanna add something from the music section like audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, or the light boxes. You can add something from the light boxes or from the boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs, or the repeaters. Here find the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list section. Also here we find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. So you can select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. Just hold on it and you can add any place on your home page as you like. Now let's move to the embed code. If you wanna custom popular embeds, if you wanna add something like single video players, if you wanna add something from the audio section like SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, if you wanna add something from the advanced element like marketing tools or the velotive mode, or if you wanna add something from the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna add something from the social bars, if you wanna add the Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share button link, or if you wanna add something like YouTube link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. Here if you wanna add the payments buttons, if you wanna add payments forms, or if you wanna add something from the pricing plans, or if you wanna add something from the store. So that's it. Now let's move on to CMS. If you wanna easily manage your site content, you can use the CMS. Now let's move on to the blog. So here you can add something from the blog section or from the store section. Also you can add something from the bookings elements from here this list, or from the related elements, or from the pricing plans. You can also manage and create events, and here you can manage your community section, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Here you can add section, select any section in here from here you want to add on your home page. Now let's move on to the next. Here if you want to add page, so just click here add, and you can add page, any page from this you want. So let's move on to the next. Here you find the site design. If you want to customize your site design, you can use the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Also here if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, if you want to upload your media, so here you can upload your media, you can edit images and videos. If you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is the marketing and SEO. If you want to manage your email marketing or Google ads, or if you want to manage Google Facebook ads, or if you want to manage SEO, or if you want to manage social media marketing, or the last is marketing integrations. So that's it for today. That's how to design your website. Now all you have to do now is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.